Om Shanti. Today, 23rd of September 2021. Today is Sadguruvar, when Bhog is offered to Shiv Baba. Let us listen today's Murli essence. The song played in the start of Murli, Salutations to Shiva. Baba is asking us, whose praise is this? It is of one Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. Those who do good work are definitely praised, and those who do something bad are defamed. For instance, Akbar was praised and Aurangzeb was defamed. This is the most auspicious confluence age. This age comes every 5 years when I come to make the Bharat and people of Bharat most elevated. When both will become elevated, Bharat will become heaven. Baba says, you children know that Father is now making you Satupradhan, golden age resident of heaven, who are most elevated. This is very easy. You don't need to take drugs or do anything for this, simply stay in remembrance. It is by having remembrance that you become charitable souls from sinful souls. Baba says human beings want to become free from the cycle of coming and going, but they are unable to do so. Those who come to play their parts have to come again. The Father says, I too have to come to this impure world and then go back. I come every cycle. Since I myself have to come, how could it be possible for you children to stop coming back? Each of you comes into a body 84 times, whereas I only come once. My coming and going is very wonderful. Baba says, the Father is the bestower of salvation for all. Therefore, the bodies of human beings will definitely be destroyed. I will purify souls and take them back to home. Baba says the Father comes every cycle and say you cannot become pure from impure without remembering me. Do I make you bath in the Gangas? Simply remember the great mantra of Man Bana Bhav. This means remember me and you will become pure, the most elevated masters of heaven. Baba says some children create obstacles. They do this disservice, and so that is such a great sin. Ravan turns everyone into great sinners. However, a tribunal will sit for those who become Baba's children and who then do disservice. However, for those who belong to the Father and then do disservice, the Father's right hand is Dharmraj. Baba says, you are tired, so I have come to remove your tiredness. Everyone has rejected you mothers. Sannyasis renounce their wives and leave. Some who are not able to take care of 5 to 7 children, they have become distressed and run away. They create their creation, then go away, leaving the children wandering around without support. The Father says, I don't make anyone wander around. I remove everyone's sorrow and grant them happiness. Baba says people on the path of ignorance think that God gives happiness and sorrow. However, God, the Father, does not do such business. This drama is created on the basis of karma. Whatever deeds each one performs, he accordingly receives the fruit of that. It is the matter of performing elevated actions at this time. There is no question of repenting now for what you have done. Baba says you should keep a chart of remembrance. You are receiving your fortune of the kingdom for 21 births. You just have to become pure in this final birth. The attainment is so large. If there were no attainment, why would you be making effort? The blessing of today Murli is that may you be a light and might house who merges any expansion into essence and makes your stage elevated. In order to become a light and might house like the Father, when you see or hear about any situation, understand its essence and then practice merging it or transforming it in a second. Do not go into the expansion of why or what, because energy and time are wasted by going into any type of expansion. So merge any expansion and practice stabilizing in the stage of essence. By doing this, you will be able to make many other souls experience the essence of all the knowledge in a second. Slogan: make your attitude powerful and service will automatically increase. Om Shanti.